Ever bought a robot vacuum that promised to handle everything, only to watch it struggle with a simple mess? I've been there. I had high hopes for the Ecovacs Deebot T30S, and right from the start, I put it through the ultimate test, my house, where I live with my husband, 6 kids, and dog. Did the T30S live up to the hype and handle my family's messes, or did it fail spectacularly? Let's find out. The Deebot T30S boasts a powerful vacuum with smart mapping and mopping features. The smart mapping was impressive. It quickly learned my home layout, avoiding obstacles and targeting problem areas. I've tested it over several weeks on all the regular messes of my life: pet hair, tracked in leaves, spilled cereal, and even sticky juice stains. The T30S doesn't just vacuum. It's a dual-purpose cleaner with a built-in mop, and it automatically detects when to switch between vacuuming and mopping. And the auto empty station makes cleanup so easy. So what are the downsides? Well, first, its all-in-one station is enormous, nearly twice as big as some of the other vacuum mop stations I've seen. And occasionally when I set it to do a task, it gets stuck in a tricky corner and can't get out without help. But could it handle our toughest mess? It can, and with flying colors. The Ecovacs Deebot T30S surprised me with how well it handled everything I threw at it. If you're tired of robot vacuums that don't live up to their promises, this one might just be the game changer you need.